Now, since a sensational claim made by the government in the upper house of the parliament, the Rajya Sabha, a massive political storm has now started to brew. Remember, the government claims no death was reported in the country due to oxygen shortage during the second wave, which was the peak for the country. MOS Health Bharati Praveen Pawar made in a written response referred to the death data shared by states after a question was raised specifically by the Congress Member of Parliament KC Venugopal. A fuming opposition has now lashed out at the government for lying allegedly and misleading the public. And leading the charge is the Congress party, condemning the claim of the government, saying that the MOS Health misled the House by giving false information, and therefore the Congress party will now move a privilege motion against the minister. Congress MP from Wayanad, Rahul Gandhi, and took to social media site Twitter, claiming and terming the Modi government as insensitive. However, interestingly, Chhattisgarh Health Minister T.S. Singh Deo said that in his state, no one died due to lack of oxygen. And countering T.S. Singh Deo's tweet, BJP's Amit Malviya also took a swipe at Rahul Gandhi over the Congress party's hypocrisy.
I will move a privilege. Really surprised. Government has given a reply today that nobody in the country has died due to the shortage of oxygen. We saw how much patients died due to the lack of oxygen. We know. Actually, the minister misled the House. I will move a privilege against that minister, definitely, because this is actually he misguided and misled the House, giving false information to the House.
देश के लाखों लोगों की मौत का अपमान है और इस सरकार को वाकई नहीं पता था कि देश में क्या हो रहा है। कल के बयान से यह साबित हो गया कि सरकार कुंभकर्ण की नींद सो रही थी, सरकार बंगाल के चुनाव में व्यस्त थी, उनको बिल्कुल नहीं पता कि ऑक्सीजन से इस देश में कितनी मौत हुई है। हमारे प्रधानमंत्री को पीछे तक सिर्फ लोग ही लोग नजर आ रहे थे चुनाव रैलियों में। उन्होंने देश को अनाथ छोड़ दिया था और कल के बयान से उन्होंने ये बताया कि हाँ, हमने देश को अनाथ छोड़ दिया था, हमें कुछ नहीं पता कितने लोगों की मौत हुई, कितने लोगों की ऑक्सीजन की कमी से जान गई है।
अब दिल्ली जैसा राज्य अगर ये रिपोर्ट देता है कि हमारे राज्य में ऑक्सीजन की कमी से कोई मौत नहीं हुई, तो ये सवाल तो अरविंद केजरीवाल जी से पूछना चाहिए ना, जो टीवी पे आके चिल्लाते थे कि ऑक्सीजन नहीं है, हमारे पास ऑक्सीजन नहीं है। बिहार तो कभी नहीं चिल्लाया, हमारे यहाँ मौतें भी सबसे कम हुई हैं अन्य राज्यों की तुलना में। तो ये तो राज्यों की जिम्मेदारी बनती है कि वो सही जानकारी देंगे या नहीं दें। जो राज्यों की जानकारी है उसे केंद्रीय मंत्री ने राज्यसभा में रख दिया।
So now listen in to what the state governments have to say about this written reply by the government at the centre, in which they've cited lack of data from the states.
जहाँ तक छत्तीसगढ़ का सवाल है, ये सही है कि ऑक्सीजन से रिपोर्टेड कमी के चलते रिपोर्टेड डेथ्स नहीं है, हम सरप्लस स्टेट रहे और प्रबंधन में कहीं ना कहीं लास्ट मिनट में कोई कहीं बैकअप कैसा था क्या नहीं था, 2-4 मिनट का भी ऑफ हुआ हो, वरना ऑक्सीजन की कमी से डेथ छत्तीसगढ़ में रिकॉर्डेड नहीं है, ये तो सही है।
अभी थोड़े दिनों बाद ये भी कह देंगे कि कोरोना तो आया ही नहीं, पेंडेमिक तो था ही नहीं। अगर ऑक्सीजन की कमी नहीं थी, ऑक्सीजन से डेथ नहीं हुई, तो बार बार हर रोज़ दिल्ली के अंदर ही हाई कोर्ट में एक के बाद एक हॉस्पिटल जा रहे थे, रोज़ कह रहे थे कि भाई लोग ऑक्सीजन की कमी है, ऑक्सीजन की कमी से लोग डेथ हो रही है। ये बिल्कुल असत्य है, गलत बात है। दिल्ली के अंदर भी और देश के अंदर भी बहुत जगह पर ऑक्सीजन की कमी से कहीं डेथ हुई। बहुत ही दुखद था, बहुत ही दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण था, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए था।
For the latest, my colleague Ashutosh Mishra is now joining me. Ashutosh, you've been speaking to several leaders, including the Aam Aadmi Party that leads in the national capital, Delhi, and they appear to say that people did die of oxygen and for the lack of it. How is the government then claiming that it's not our fault? Because that's the state governments. If they don't give us the data quoting the lack of oxygen, we are only quoting the state governments. How are they defending this? What do you find out in this, Ashutosh?
Well, Pooja, this needs to be seen in many dimensions. The first, the response that was given by the government in the parliament, where it says that no such data was provided about people dying due to lack of the oxygen. Secondly, when the centre blames that health is a state subject and no states provided the data. Third, when the state says and the opposition party says that when you impose a pandemic act, when there is a pandemic act imposed across the country, the health is no more state subject because it is a centre who controls everything from manufacturing medicines to supply distribution chain. Everything comes under the centre, and hence it no more remain only a state subject. Now the second dimension is centre was seeking data on everything from oxygen to medicine to vaccine and everything. Did centre seek any data from the state over the people who died due to lack of oxygen? Again, when it comes to the pandemic act, at the opposition and the states are saying that did centre seek any data particularly from those states? If you don't maintain data, you're not serious about people dying due to lack of oxygen, of course the data is not bound to. And the third and the very important dimension, that who can forget the nightmare that across India we have seen how people suffer, particularly
yes.
in the month of almost second week of April and month of May, that people were indeed dying. Not only Delhi, Uttar Pradesh and several other states, that there was almost a chaotic situation. People were running from pillar to post.
That's correct, Ashutosh, and perhaps that is what the fact was on the ground. Many people did not have access to oxygen cylinders, and there were, remember, hospitals demanding and stating that they are in urgent, alarming need of oxygen. So on what basis is the government saying that there is no record of people dying of lack of oxygen? Ashutosh, thank you so much for the latest on that. We have some news coming in because Shambit Patra